We're going to be working with finding the mean, standard deviation, and variance of a binomial probability distribution. When doing this, we need to look at some key terms and some formulas that we're going to be using, since there's going to be no calculator feature options available. The mean is going to be defined by the number of successes you expect from a procedure. Since we're going to be working with populations, we're going to use mu to represent our mean, and we're going to find this by taking n times p, or the number of trials times the probability of success, and we're always going to include units in our final answer. The standard deviation is defined by the average distance from the mean. Again, working with a population, that would mean standard deviation is denoted by sigma, and this is the square root of the product n times p times q. We will always again use units when working with standard deviation. Remember that since you are only allowed to have the probability of success or the probability of failure as your two options, to find q, you will simply subtract p from 1. Variance is defined by the spread of the data based on the mean. Variance is sigma squared, and if we square both sides of our formula for standard deviation, we will then remove the square root symbol. So our variance squared is just the product of n times p times q, but now with the addition of square units. Our rounding rule still holds as one place more than the data given.